So the first thing you required is color paper and draw a circle on it. Now chop it off and then fold it thrice. Now put cut marks on it. Be careful with your fingers, as paper is folded thrice, so it will take some effort to slice the paper. No worries, you can ask any elder to help you. Now cut this part in a triangular shape. Now use your scissor to add details to your petals. On one edge and stick it together. Now for the inner part, I am taking a strip. After folding it, I will put cut marks on it. After folding it thoroughly, I will secure it on the flower. Now moving towards the stem, it's very simple. Just use your finger to fold it, or else you can use a toothpick for it. And that's it, your daisy is ready. So for more such videos, please subscribe.